Hi guys, we are gonna go do the chores today. Here I am attempting to put on my boots, kind of missed that one. And we are letting the dogs out to go run a little bit. And here we are walking to the garage to get the hose. It can't stay outside because it gets cold at night and all the water freezes in it. And we are walking back out to the Ranger. Chase is waiting patiently. Oh, here we're putting air in the tire because it goes flat every day. Hi, Chase. All right, let's start it up. Okay, let's drag the hose out of the Ranger. Just throw that anywhere. Keep on dragging. All right, let's hook it up to the spigot. This is me realizing that I probably should have put on some gloves because it's super cold outside. All right, and cue the water. There it is. We are putting water in the horse's grain so they don't choke on it. These 50-pound bags are for the feeder cows that are getting finished anytime. I did not show me feeding them because they tipped their feeder over. And from all the snow, it's kind of wet in there, and I didn't really want to drop my camera. Now we are driving back behind their pen to the spigot. We're going to give them some water. Enjoy me dragging the hose again and not winding it up and picking it up the right way. And as you can see, my hand is covered in cow crap. I didn't wear gloves, of course. That's cool. Hi, Colty. Alright, and we are going to go put this in the cow's pen. Here is a little snapshot of my backyard. This Michigan weather's been crazy this year. We get snow and then it all melts and turns gross. Okay, we are finished for today. Now we are heading back up to the house to go inside and relax. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Bye.